If moles are tearing up your yard or garden, check out Victor Moleworms. These are lethal mole baits formulated to effectively eliminate moles to stop tunneling damage. These toxic moleworms look and feel just like earthworms, a common food moles love to eat. A single moleworm contains a lethal dose of bromethalin and will dispatch the mole within 48 hours. Victor Moleworms come ready to use and require no additional application tools. Each order comes with locator flags, which are used to mark active mole tunnels. Be sure to put on chemical-resistant gloves before handling this product. To identify mole activity, inspect your property for mole tunnels. With your finger, make a 1-inch hole in the roof of any tunnels you find, and be careful not to collapse the tunnel. Mark each tunnel with a locator flag to keep track of where they are. Wait 24 to 48 hours, then revisit each flag. Check the holes you've made. If they've been resealed, then a mole is active. Remove any flags with non-active tunnels to avoid confusion. Where flags are remaining, poke a new hole into the roof of the active mole tunnel just larger than the diameter of the product. Drop a moleworm into the hole, then reseal the hole with dirt. Repeat this for every 5 to 10 feet of the active tunnels. Wait 5 days to check tunnels. Check for consumed bait, and observe if any tunnels are still active. If any tunnels are still active, then make a reapplication. Victor Moleworms must be used underground in the runways of moles or in subsurface feeding tunnels. This product may only be used in lawns, parks, around homes, ornamental gardens, nurseries, and other non-crop grassy areas. This bait may not be used above ground. Use Victor Moleworms around the times moles are active. Moles are active all year round, but are especially active in the fall and winter months. The presence of moles is indicated by a network of subsurface runways in the turf or a series of conical mounds of loose dirt pushed up from deep burrows. Victor Moleworms are safe and harmless to people or pets when used according to the product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling or applying this product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.